How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, Ingenuity has completed Sweet 16. NASA has completed the download from Ingenuity from its 16th flight that was scheduled on the 20th of November. Ingenuity took off to an altitude of approximately 33 feet and traveled for 109 seconds. This mission was for Ingenuity to map the way ahead for Perseverance, enabling Perseverance to maneuver around rough rock formations like these. The time saved by Perseverance from Ingenuity's work has already contributed in fold. Amazing organic and mineral formations have already been discovered thanks to the contributions from Ingenuity. And fortunately for us, Ingenuity is still within range of Perseverance so that we can see these flights take place. Let's take a quick look at this short clip NASA provided of Ingenuity's 15th flight. Ingenuity has beat all expectations, but we have to hope that Ingenuity can pull through and continue to map the rough terrain of Mars. Here's to one more flight. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.